In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update and get the latest version of My Talking Tom app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, now to get the latest version of this app, we need to go ahead and look for any update for My Talking Tom app. And to do this, you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Play Store, so I'll go to App Store, and here is my Play Store, and then search for My Talking Tom, and here we go. I have my app here. Now, if I tap on it, you can see we have an update that is available. This means I've been using an outdated version of My Talking Tom app. To get the latest version, you need to go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of My Talking Tom app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once it has been installed, now you can proceed and start playing the latest version of this app that contains the latest features. So that's how you can get the latest version of My Talking app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.